Oo. Okay viewers, we're here now in downtown Seattle going to the aquarium, pier and market. Going for a walk. This is an uphill for the cars and downhill for us. Washington Legend Auto Sales, Rubicon, Peter Lopez Salon. Here is the Shuttle Art and Museum. I'm going down to the waterfront, see the aquarium. The Uber scooter, red light. University Street. There you go. Downtown. Downtown Seattle. US Post. You pay by the app. Pay parking by the app. No machine. Color. Tarot card readings and palm. Naniniwala sa paghuhula. Go. Now with the harbor steps, a new market downstairs. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.